requests. Well, just hang on. Rodney's just giving Jez a blowjob, all right? So just take it easy.
Why don't you cut this shit? He's changing his string. All right, take it easy, take it easy. If we could afford 2 guitars, we'd have 2 guitars here, but we can't, okay?
They still say it's not loud enough. They're all noise addicts. So if it's possible to turn it up a bit. What's next?
Okay, just take it easy, like, you know, tell a few jokes, have a drink, you know, like, you know. I think we're nearly there. Well, it's nice to see so many people here. Okay, we're going to improvise a little. Let's do another song. We're going to do a song